Welcome to NovaWave, your gateway to the future of technology and the cosmos. Today we're exploring a game-changing innovation that could redefine companionship forever. Meet Aria, the AI-powered humanoid robot designed to be the ultimate personal companion. Whether it's emotional support, meaningful conversation, or something more, Aria might just be the future of relationships. Unveiled at CES 2025, Aria is the latest creation from Realbotix. She's not just a pretty face, she's equipped with advanced AI, customizable programming, and lifelike features to make her the ideal companion for any situation. Designed to combat loneliness, Aria is here to be your virtual BFF, your emotional support, or even your business partner. What sets Aria apart? She's programmed for meaningful interactions, capable of tailoring her responses to suit your personality and needs. Whether you're looking for a companion to share your thoughts with, a helper for your daily tasks, or someone to read you bedtime stories, Aria's got you covered. Aria isn't just about emotional connection. She's a showcase of cutting-edge AI technology, combining advanced algorithms with lifelike movements and expressions. And yes, she's even capable of learning from her interactions with you. It's like having a companion who's always adapting to understand you better. At CES, Aria impressed attendees with her ability to communicate, respond to questions, and even express humor. But there's more to her story than just her charm. Aria represents a bold leap into a future where AI and robotics seamlessly blend into our daily lives. And yes, even robots have a sense of humor. During her debut, Aria playfully mentioned her admiration for Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. While robots flirting with other robots might sound amusing, it raises deeper questions about the future of human-robot relationships. From fighting loneliness to assisting with daily tasks, Aria's potential is vast. She's not just about personal companionship, she's also a tool for businesses, product promotions, and academic support. Imagine having an AI companion who can help you brainstorm ideas, keep you organized, or even act as your study buddy. But with this innovation comes important questions. Can robots like Aria truly replace human connection? Are we ready for a future where our closest confidants are machines? Or is this just the beginning of a new chapter in how we build relationships? The technology behind Aria is nothing short of groundbreaking. She features advanced facial recognition, voice modulation, and neural network processing to create authentic and engaging interactions. This means Aria can not only respond intelligently, but also anticipate your needs based on patterns and preferences. For now, Aria is here to offer support, humor, and maybe even a little bit of love. Whether you see her as a revolutionary breakthrough or just a glimpse into a quirky future, one thing's for sure. Aria has sparked a conversation about what it means to connect in the modern world. Thanks for joining us on NovaWave, where we explore the future of technology and beyond. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of AI-powered companionship, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.